Hello, it's Brick Bros UK and we have our first Minecraft multi-build, and we decided to combine the LEGO Minecraft The Farm 21114 with the Cave 21113. And we created the multi-build we are calling the LEGO Minecraft Steve's Fort, which includes a secure fort which Steve can defend from hostile mobs. There's a waterfall area, a vegetable patch, and there's other mineable areas too. And if you have the two sets, you can follow the step-by-step build tutorial on how to make this multi-build at the end. But first, let's review the build. Starting off, we have what we didn't destroy, so we kept the tree, the cow, the sheep, and spider all intact, so you don't need to destroy these, as they are cool builds we wanted in the fort. And on the outside, there's a large water area on one side with a waterfall flowing out of Steve's fort, and the water plates continue up to Steve's vegetable patch, where we have another water flow and his water bucket. And moving round, we decided to place the tree on some dirt blocks, just adding to the outside detail. And on the right hand side, there's an explorable mineable block area and a chest with bread in it, so Steve could eat that whilst he's out and about adventuring. And further up on this side, on the wall of the fort, there's a lava flow and lava pool, and we also made another explorable stone block area with some TNT just to spice things up for Steve. And to the left of this is a wooden fence and flower for decoration. Now the fort itself is mainly made of stone blocks, giving it great protection, and at the front are the two armoured hinged gates that are great for keeping hostile mobs at bay. And then the entrance leads inside, where we have another chest with bread in it, a crafting table, and we also made a small plate-built well, which ensures Steve can survive any siege with plenty of food and water. We have also made good use of the cave's ladder, which gives access to the fort's tower that dominates the skyline, and on top is a standing platform and two torches on the fence. And there's also two more torches on the walls either side, just adding to its look. And then you can take your Steve and enter the fort to get to his supplies. And then once inside, Steve can climb his tower and survey the landscape to see where his next adventure might be. Steve can also go outside if he's feeling brave and harvest his vegetables and explore the mineable areas. And because we combine two sets, the two Steves make light work of mining and building, and it's always nice to have a companion on your side. And finally, you can place in all the brick-built minifigures to complete the build. And that's our LEGO Minecraft Steve's Fort multi-build. This was fun to make, and combining the two small Minecraft sets really allowed us to create a fully functioning biome for Steve to explore, with different mining areas, lava, water, and a gated fort to store all of your supplies and keep Steve safe. Hopefully, you like Steve's Fort, and if you want to make it, here's the step-by-step build. And that's the finished build. Now you should have a cool Steve Sport to adventure in, or maybe you've taken inspiration from the build to make something more awesome. Don't forget to check out our other multi-builds and alternative builds by clicking the links in the description below, or by heading on over to the Brick Bros UK channel. And remember to like, comment and subscribe to Brick Bros UK.